Your John Deere S100 blades are not engaging because the PTO cable has stretched, snapped, or slipped off the pulley system. Replacing and properly routing a new power takeoff cable will restore tension to the deck belt and get your mower spinning again immediately. Park the mower on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the spark plug wire. Lower the mower deck to its lowest possible setting using the deck height lever. This gives you maximum clearance to access the cable route underneath the frame without needing to remove the entire deck. Locate the yellow PTO lever on the dashboard. Unhook the top end of the broken cable from the lever linkage. Follow the cable down to the mower deck. You must remove the cotter pin and washer securing the cable spring to the deck idler arm. Squeeze the plastic retaining clips on the cable housing with pliers to pull it free from the metal chassis bracket. Feed the new PTO cable through the exact same path down the side of the engine compartment. Push the lower housing into the chassis bracket until the plastic clips snap securely into place. Hook the new tension spring onto the deck idler arm and secure it with the washer and a fresh metal cotter pin. Route the upper section back to the dashboard lever. Snap the upper cable housing into its retaining bracket and hook the metal Z-bend end into the yellow lever linkage. Reconnect the spark plug wire. Start the mower, engage the PTO lever, and verify the blades spin up with strong, immediate tension.